Hi, I'm Austin Ashbacker. Today we're going to talk about how to connect your Trimble R1 to Vermeer Projects using an Android operating system. For demonstration purposes, we are using a Samsung Tab A tablet. So let's get started. To start out, we want to make sure our Trimble R1 GPS is turned on and connected via Bluetooth to our mobile device. So we'll navigate to our settings menu. In settings, we'll go to our connections and Bluetooth. And in Bluetooth, we want to make sure that we are paired to our Trimble R1. In this case, it is GNSS 65344. So we are paired, so we'll navigate back to our settings. And one of the big differences between Apple and Android is that we have to enable mock locations on an Android. So we are going to scroll down to developer options. And in developer options, we are going to scroll down to select mock location app, and we're going to select GNSS status because we're using a Trimble, and that is Trimble's location app. So from here we can navigate to GNSS status. In order to select between different types of corrections, you navigate to the corrections menu, and you can select between SBAS, RTX, Internet. For this demonstration, we're using SBAS, so navigate back to home. We see we're getting some fairly good SBAS correction, 58 centimeters. So from here, we're going to navigate to Vermeer Projects. Once we get into projects, we'll select our compass on the left side of the screen. We'll select our drop-down menu, and we choose from our 3 different devices. In this case, we're using a Trimble. And select connect. In the bottom left, it will say high accuracy activated. We can click on our session information. And right now it's showing we're getting, it's dialing in here, 27 inches of accuracy. So we know that we are getting those corrections from GNSS status. That's all for this video. We'll see you next time.